Hello guys, it's me, the Game Pick, and I do believe I found the Angry Birds movie bird code. And I do believe I found it. And I did a clever thing. Well, it's not really that clever. Well, I posted a thing to Sasha on Skype. And, well, okay. Let's come here. Okay. Travel to borders and unlock new pay. The island. Okay. So let me take my case off. I am going to find the Angry Birds movie. Oh. How do I find the barcodes? Okay. There's gotta be a... Okay, so let me look on this map. Okay. Bird codes. Okay. Okay. So let me go and find this bird code. Let me go to Sasha. Okay, Sasha. Wait, I'm not recording.
Oh.
I mean, I'm fighting the bird code. So I posted a thing on Skype.
Okay.
Actually, I am kind of recording. Sorry. Okay, but it's okay to you be without a shirt.
I'm gonna put it on right now.
What?
I'm gonna put it on right now.
Okay. So I posted a thing on Skype, and it's a bird code from the Angry Birds movie. And
Are you cheating from the bird code?
that's how other people do it.
Oh.
It's fine. Okay, let's go to your Skype. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, I posted you something. Okay, let's go. Hello? Is this a bird code? Well, it's obviously not. Let me go find another bird code then. Your tablet is the only way to do it, Sasha. Okay, let me go on YouTube. No copyright laws. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I found the bird code.
So, dudes, we're back, and
okay, now we
oh
have
my god, it actually worked.
Okay, thanks to BlueJays5678's video, we can use the bird code. Sasha, this is not copyright.
Well, it kind of is. Oh my god.
Okay, let's go. What? Okay, I have to tap on the pigs.
So you have to like slide.
Darn it. Oh, darn it. Okay. This is fun.
Yeah.
That. I got 2 stars. Ooh, what's this? McDonald's box. Okay, let's see. Yay, I got some items. Okay. Let's scan a bird code from this video. Okay. Guys, be right back. Okay, guys, I got another bird code. Wait, before I do it. Oh, it's still loading. That's good. Oh, it's like photo taking. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Well, that's how I do it. Okay, that's how I do that. Okay. Okay, let's see his bottom. Let's turn the camera around. And there I am. Okay. Where do I want to put red? Let's see. On my head. That will be perfect. Okay. Okay, and there. Got the picture. This is so not realistic.
Oh my god.
Let's save it.
This is like Photoshop. It's Photoshop.
Okay.
I want to do it.
Okay. Okay, so hold the tablet. Sasha, hold it.
Okay.
Actually, I'll hold it. You do your thing. Where do you want me to put red? Actually, I can get another bird.
Oh, you can?
Okay. Darn it. Okay. Who do you want to get?
Bomb.
Chuck?
No, bomb.
Okay, I will give you bomb. And we have the bomb.
I want to have turrets. Turrets. I want to have turrets instead.
Oh. Okay, let's have Terrence with you. Wow, he looks so mad. Let's pick Terrence. Okay. Where do you want Terrence? Let's put him on the TV. Let's take
me.
Sasha.
Me.
Wait. Let's take 2 photos. One Terrence on the TV. Okay. Okay. Let me get up there. Let me get up. Sorry guys. This is what people do.
Well, not really.
Well, I guess. Let's put Terrence on here. Wait. Okay. Don't shove your head. Don't, Sasha. You're. Okay. Let's put him here. And Sasha, don't move.
We can't see.
Okay. Let's put him. There. I got him. Sasha, you got it in the photo.
Yeah,
It's okay.
it's fine. Now my head.
Okay, let's put him on your head. Wait, where's Terrence? Oh, there's Terrence. Okay, don't move. Don't move. Okay. Okay. Sasha, don't move. And bam. This is what it looks like. Bam. Totally perfect.
Oh,
This is totally perfect.
this
Let's save that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, Sasha, let's get another bird code.
What?
Another bird code.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, let's get another bird code. Okay, I totally got nothing from this game. Okay, guys, I'll be right back with another bird code.
How does that work?
Okay, I got another bird code.
How does that even work?
It's cool. You get to play mini games. Oh, it's the same photo one. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. What that? I want a different. Okay, guys, I got another bird code, and it's the Angry Birds movie one. Let's go. Oh, come on. Okay, so I got a new bird code. Finally. And I hope it's not the same one.
Megalovania! Listen to Megalovania!
Okay.
What is this?
It's some thing. Yeah, I didn't got the playset though. Ooh. I could unlock. I don't. The only way to unlock the mini game in the playset is to get the actual
I
playset.
kind of want to get these kind of Lego things.
Yeah, you can get this thing, whatever this is. It looks so weird. I don't really have the playset, so I'm just kind of cheating.
Is he gonna end looking everywhere?
All is he doing is just having this egg, and he's like.
Yeah.
And that's basically the. Okay, I think it's. Okay, let's get. I'll be right back with another bird code if I can find one. So, unfortunately, I didn't get to find other bird codes. Even, especially the red bird code. If you don't know what the red bird code is, it's like a bird code, but it's red. And it gives you like a running mini game that gives you a running. So let's do the actual levels in this. Let's get you Smosh How, because I just realized that one of the Smosh people plays How, which is kind of cool. I didn't get them much in the movie. I was expecting much. So I have to rescue the eggs. And I got some new superpowers, which is cool. So let's use some. For some reason, let's use the ball, the ice power. Oh, I only have to use one. What is this? And let's try out this one. I don't know what this is, though. Oh! And? Oh, that's cool. And let's go this way. Darn it! Let's get to this swinging thing. Yes! I rescued the egg! Congratulations to me! Let's go to the next. More TNT. Bombs. I'm red. Does this look like a red level?
There you go.
Sasha, I'm playing. Right now I'm recording.
You are? Okay.
Okay. So, Sasha, close the door.
Okay.
So let's see. Does this look like a bomb level? I'm not sure. Okay. Let's choose bomb anyways.
Let's do the bomber.
Okay. Let's get on this. What the heck? Boom! Boom, boom, blow up everything. I didn't really blow up everything, but let's go blow up this man! And man! Bam! Did it. Rescued the egg. Sasha, stop. Stop!
What?
Seriously.
I'm listening
I'm trying to
Megalopedia.
play. I'm playing. Sasha, I'm playing. Let's go red anyways.
Why don't you have the face cam?
Because I don't want to use it. Oh, this will go on forever. Oh my gosh! Oh my
That's the weirdest glitch. How about you use bomb for that?
I can't switch anymore. And which egg? Which egg? There's two eggs. I can't choose. This egg.
You just missed.
This glitch again.
Amazing.
Oh shoot, there's some stuff in front of me. Oh, there's TNT.
How horrible at this.
Egg. Ah! This will go on forever, totally.
That's so weird. What?
Finally! Okay, let's go.
I wish there was a dancer pool. Oh God, my
Sasha, you're messing me up.
Okay.
Ah, darn it. There's some stuff in front of me. This glass! Okay.
I wish there was a dancer's pool in this game.
Fun! This is so weird. I'm still... There I am. How did I get here? Sasha, how did I get here? I was spinning on that thing.
Did he teleport?
Oh my gosh! Man!
He's Sans. He's freaking Sans.
Okay, I got some powers. Yeah. Powers.
Regular.
Stop, I'm playing! Stop. Okay, let's go this level. Sasha, can you go away?
Okay.
Sasha, please!
Can I just watch you?
Okay.
I'm not gonna do anything, okay?
Okay. Presence of the messence will come to the
Messing from
poops.
another.
Okay. Does this look like a bomb level? Forget it, let's just use bomb. And...
Mom took some steroids.
Oh, God, Bomb! How could you betray me?
He took some steroids, I know that.
How did you know that?
Because he looks fat.
Fatness is not steroids, Sasha.
I love
And
steroids.
boom, I blew up the egg. Look at Bomb just walking right there. He's stuck in his life right now. Sasha, stop. Okay, let's see. Red, why do you always come to my house? This looks like a bomb level. Definitely. What happens if I forget the presents? I have important things to do. Is to go on this. Which one should I go? The one where there are a lot of bombs. Bam! Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Oh, that was actually kind of cool. Oh, that was cool. Wow.
That was horrible.
Ow! I should switch to the bomb. Oh, thanks, I guess. Help! Blow up! And... Bomb! Stop doing that!
What kind of glitch is this? They have to fix it. It's ugly.
Eh.
Oh my god, this glitch is annoying.
Ah.
Well, it does like nothing.
Wait, look how weird he looks when he spins on this.
Yeah. He definitely took some steroids.
Sasha, fatness is not steroids. How is this possible? Bomb! This was useless! Ah! Yes, I hit. And I find this useful. Darn it! Now I don't find this useful. Yay! I did it! Yes! Look how happy and ugly he looks when he's happy. Look how ugly he looks. Stop. No, don't sing in my video. This is a video. Bam! Random. Sasha, stop! What are you? I don't know what you're doing.
I'm listening to Ergolovinia.
I have unlocked the chuck.
Wait, what's Ergolovinia? What?
Okay.
It's poopy. It's poopy.
It's not funny.
What? I just heard that will make a flowery voice.
Yeah. Let's see what the chuck can run so fast. Time stops. Travel through fans. Hit moving objects with ease. I guess. Look at the shadows, Sasha. Oh my gosh.
Know what he will look like when he's pixelized.
And where should I go?
It's trick time.
It's check time. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't catch up. What is he doing? Oh, yeah. I came in like a wrecking ball. Whoa, look how fast this is. Sasha, he's so fast.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, I have bombs.
It looks like he took some steroids.
How is he taking?
I love people taking steroids. I like to watch them taking steroids.
Bam, did it. Stop.
Okay, I will stop.
You're mixing the video. Chucky, make some mucky. What should we aim? We should aim here. Oh yeah, I have to destroy bombs. This is so useful. Yeah, this is totally.
How did that happen?
What happened?
First, my tablet was turned off, and then it just got to Clash of Clans. We're gonna play it anyway.
Okay, I got them bombs.
I love this sport.
Okay, Sasha. Cannons! There's the cannon. Sasha, somebody's calling you.
What?
Somebody's calling you.
Okay.
You can go now.
Close the door.
Thanks. Okay, what should we aim? Cannon! Yes. Oh, I fly. Totally useful. I'm totally stuck here now. Wow, Chuck, you have some fabulous noises. Okay. Skew. Okay, this is totally. Yes, I destroyed the bomb. Okay. I've won. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he looks so creepy, to be honest. Look how creepy he looks. That's so creepy. This face is gonna haunt me in nightmares. Yes, I've done it. Thanks to my kisses. Thanks to my kisses. Thanks to my kisses. Thanks to my kisses. There. I'll sure unlock the Angry Birds movie bird code. I'll sure do. Okay. Looks like we have more bomb levels, do we? Or egg saving levels. I have basically no idea. Wait.
I got to turn the lights on.
Because I'm doing... Okay, this is... I have to... Oh, I have to, like, save little birds. Is that what I have to do? Okay. Save the birds! Whoa! It's cool. I was like... I have another chuck! That. Okay. I'm going to save you. Okay. Let's follow the coins. Okay. Yay! What exactly just happened? Wait, what just happened? What just happened? I have no idea what just happened right now. Oh my gosh. Useful. One ball. At the movie now. Okay. So how much levels is it left? I can't see. Darn it. Well, I have to unlock more characters. Okay, that's basically it. Bye guys, see you later.